finally want to release my AI agents. I'm going to give you guys the blueprint for the juiciest lead finder AI agents that you could build yourself. But if you want me to build it for you, my contact is below this video. So reach out to me and I'll build your agents. We'll test it together, and here we go. Hi guys, welcome to this video. I just want to show you really quick how this chief data officer is operating. So it's very organized, it's very clear what it's doing. It's doing research on internet using Dorking strategy, which is advanced searches. If you see here, like if I go to any of these, you see that it's searching in LinkedIn, right? And it's searching for the profiles who have their Gmails. So it's doing all that, and it's finding all the clinics that I asked for, and it's doing study review. It's basically studying all the business benefits and like issues based on customer experience. So based on their customers, so that means they're very real, based on their testimonials. And then it's adding all the leads. As you can see, it's adding 22 leads. Let's keep going to go more. But all these leads are researched, investigated like a detective and developer. And it's being added all in my database with one single prompt. As you can see, it's still working. It could do up to 40 iterations. I could set the limits for the number of iterations it can do. But as much as I believe that AI is going to replace a person like chief data officer, I still feel like I need to be the one who prompts it to get a number of leads. Now, these leads are very high quality, right? So even if I, for example, right now I got an error, received tool input did not match expectation. That's totally fine. We still have a lot of processes being done, as you can see here. Done so far. I would say I asked for 20 leads, but it's adding more. I asked for 10. So what I want to say is that this system is going to work even if it errors, right? So it's like, it fulfills and surpasses my expectations in terms of a chief data officer. All I need is organized data, and it's giving me that. And I get it right in my Google Sheets. So this is the database that we have. This person could be also, like I'm saying person, but it's actually AI agent, but it also can work automatically. Like I could schedule it, wake it up, search for this, search for that. I could assign different, basically, instructions on daily basis and wake it up, make it work, sleep, wake it up, make it work, sleep. So that's cool. Thanks for watching. That's all I wanted to say. See you soon. Also, like I want to just repeat the prompts. You just press on this button and we go. By the way, you guys have access to this AI bot through the link that I will send you. It's right here. So I'm just going to send you this, and then you could do some research by yourself. But we don't want to exhaust the bot, right? So we just want to get some leads to work on, and we don't want that much usage right now, right? So it's like each process of this bot is extensive. It's like a research agent. It's doing a lot. And we need to use it carefully. We need to use it just to find some good leads.